Hello, I'm the 10-minute English teacher. Let's get you exam ready. Today, I'm going to help to improve your grammar by teaching you how to use parenthesis. Before we get going, don't forget to like and subscribe. There are plenty of things on the channel to help you improve your spelling, punctuation and grammar. Okay, let's learn how to use parenthesis. I'm going to start by thinking about what a parenthesis is. A parenthesis is a word or phrase that is inserted into a sentence as an afterthought or explanation of something that is going on in the sentence. Most people think of parentheses, that's the plural, as brackets, but we actually put parentheses, the words themselves, in brackets or dashes. You can also use dashes instead of brackets to show where you have used parenthesis. So here's an example of a sentence where we've got an afterthought that is provided to us in brackets. Amy, who normally didn't care too much about food, looked at the bowl of salad that was like a work of art. The parenthesis there, who normally didn't care too much about food, is placed in brackets. Commas would work. It's also a relative clause, but you could also use dashes to show where that parenthesis lives in that sentence. And you can see there, we've got that in pink. Amy, who normally didn't care too much about food, looked at the bowl of salad that was like a work of art. Here's another example of a sentence that uses parenthesis. And this one, we are using parenthesis for extra information or explanation. Amy looked at her bowl of salad, a plate dazzling with the purples of beetroot, cucumbers and deep red tomatoes that was like a work of art. We've used brackets here because if we use commas, whilst that could potentially work, it's going to be a little bit too comma heavy. There'll be far too many commas and that could cause ambiguity. So in this sentence, using brackets or dashes for your parenthesis would be certainly a lot more accurate and would clear up any ambiguity that you'd have if you use too many commas. Okay, here's your practice task. Sadie is going to buy some presents for her brother. Write a short text that explains what she is buying and why, and make sure you use parenthesis in this task. Try and show some afterthoughts or some extra information or explanation and use brackets to do so. Okay, check out the other videos on my channel. I'll continue to add content. Feel free to ask something you'd like to see me cover in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share and keep revising.